For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Teacher, peace be upon you. I hope you are all in good health. Today, I want to talk about your future. Can you tell me what you want to be when you grow up? Sarah, I dream of becoming an architect to build beautiful buildings. David, I'm thinking of becoming a doctor to help people maintain their health. Noura, I am interested in the world of technology and I hope to become a software developer. Isabel, I love literature and writing, and I hope to become a famous writer. Eric, I want to become a teacher like you because I love helping others achieve their goals. Brandon, I am interested in the environment and would like to work as an environmental researcher to contribute to protecting planet Earth. Thomas, I dream of becoming a famous artist and expressing myself through art. Michael, I want to become a professional athlete and represent my country in international sports. Liza, I'm thinking of becoming a space scientist and planetary explorer. Ashley, I am interested in business and want to become a successful businessman. Teacher, these are all very wonderful dreams. You must work hard and act wisely to achieve your goals in the future. I will always be here to support you and help you achieve your dreams.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.